So where have I been? I kinda like this one. So the day. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Wendy and I'm back to YouTube after 2 or 3 years, I don't know, but anyway, I'm just gonna get ready with you as I tell you where I've been. So where have I been? Life just happened, I guess. Oh, I'm gonna be using that elf primer. So that's the elf primer I'm putting on my face. So yeah, I guess life just happened. I've been up and down with work and everything, because I think the last video I must have uploaded was 2 years ago. So yeah, just been busy with work, doing stuff in life, and I just felt like I just didn't have enough time to come to YouTube and post videos and whatnot. Cause yeah, I basically have no like proper explanation as to where I've been. I'm gonna be using the elf liquid filter on my face. So yeah, I'm just hoping to like come back into YouTube and get back to where I left off. I don't know how people film this literally, like, do you know what I mean? Like doing the makeup thing and recording. I'm just finding it so hard doing 2 things at once. My hand and mouth coordination skills are wanting. I'm just gonna have to check the time though. 10:48. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go in with my elf concealer. So this is me done. I feel hella cute. But yeah, so this is me done. I'm just wondering what sunglasses to take. Either them or them. We'll just try them now. So we have them. I kind of like this ones. They're quite new. And then I have this. It's kind of hard to decide which ones I sort of like. Could go this way, or could go this way. I don't know. I kind of like this one because I just recently got this one, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with them. Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit before I leave the house. So that's my outfit. I'm just gonna zoom. Those are the shoes I'm wearing. And some pair of shorts. My pink top. I kind of burnt it when I was ironing the top, but I don't think anyone can clearly see it. Yeah, my gold necklace. I'm just gonna get a gold bracelet. And the sunglasses. I kind of love these glasses, so I guess I'm gonna go with them. And that's me. And that's my outfit of the day. So let's get going. Good morning, guys. So this is day 2 of me attempting to vlog. It's on a Sunday. I literally don't know what people do on a Sunday at home because I'm always out and about. But it looks like it's gonna chuck it down today. So I'm just gonna have to find something to do today. So I think I'm just gonna go out, do my weekly grocery shop, and then come back home and do some bits of house chores. I will bring you guys along with me because I'm attempting to come back to YouTube and vlogging. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So this is my actual outfit. I'm just wearing a hoodie and some shorts. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head out this way. I'm just gonna grab sleepers and head out. I bring you guys along with me. So let's go. That one.
Don't need any meat.
Yeah.
Just get me one.
Which one? There you go. Which one? That one?
No, the grey one.
That. Hi guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. So I just realized I was gonna unbox some things I got when I went to Manchester. I had a trip about must have been a week ago or so. I went to Manchester with my friend and I want to unbox with you. One of the things I got from there, I just thought I would share it with you guys because I love the goodies. You might have seen them in my dressing room. I didn't unbox them at all, so I thought I was gonna do it on my YouTube. So we went to P.Louise. That's the store we went to, and I did get a couple of things. There they are. So I'm just gonna show you whatever I got. Hang on, let me show you what I got from P.Louise. Amazing stuff. I just want to share them with you, unbox them together. We'll start with whatever's on here. So there's this Protect Your Pouch. It's white, peach and orange. It's a lip conditioner. So let's see how it looks like. Oh, kind of like this. How cute is this? I think I like this because you can just clip it onto your stuff, if you had a handbag or something. Oh, it smells like peach and orange really. It's quite a nice smell. So yeah, let's see what we got. Skin welcome to the scrub. So this is a lip scrub. look at this. How cute are these things? I just feel like they have hangers on. You can just hang them onto your bags. Haven't even... Guys, hang on. I don't know if the lighting's like proper lighting. Not quite sure about the lighting, but... I'm just gonna see how it smells like. That's how it's... I kind of like how these things smell like. Oh, it smells so divine. What's this? Bad Batch Energy. That's how it looks like. Bad Batch Energy. Pink lemonade. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, I think it's actually a lip gloss. Oh, you just pull them out. So it's 2 of them. Bad Batch. Right. I'm gonna try them. Oh my god, it smells so good. That's quite nice. What's the other one like? I think I like this one more. I don't know what this smells like, but I like this one more. And the last thing on that bag is berry banana lip oil. That's it. Berry banana lip oil. Oh, it has that as well. I'm just so obsessed with these hanging things. I'm gonna have to find a handbag and try and hang them on. So that's how it looks like. Shake Me. It's called Shake Me. Let's shake it first. Shake Me. What does it smell? Oh, it smells like a sweet. Oh, I really like this one as well. That's all that was in there. So we're gonna see what's in the box. So that's what was in the box. So we have this. It's a strawberry shortcake foaming cleanser, and it has this. Oh, that smells so nice. It did smell like cake. It did say it was strawberry shortcake, so it does smell like a strawberry shortcake. That's really good. Fruity and loopy. Cooling primer stick. Right. That's it. To protection layer. Just guess you do that. I don't know about the smell though. I don't think I like the smell at all. It's just not my thing really. No, I don't think I like this one. I'm just going to be giving it out. So that's everything I got. Such a nice bargain. I think I'm going to be ordering more online from these items. So yeah, that's my little mini unboxing video.